Hiya folks, it's Jeff Slavin here, and tonight we're talking about the K-Bar Johnson Adventure Piggyback knife. Now this is sort of a secondary knife that you run and carry with you. I wouldn't carry it as a primary knife anyway. So first I want to talk about the sheath a little bit, and this is the sheath here. And as you can see, there's a small holding point here which is quite thin and you can't really fit anything in there. But what I would do is probably get a split ring and put it through there, and then you can sort of keychain it sort of anywhere. I wouldn't carry this as a neck knife, and I'll show you why here now. Now you can see that little slot there, and I'll put the knife in. And there you go, that's locked in. That is the only way that it locks in, and well, it does sort of hold it in there reasonably well. I probably wouldn't trust it to carry on my neck if I was going to be doing any moving about of any real description. And so this is a high-grade plastic kind of thing. Not the flashiest sheath as far as I'm concerned, but there you go. If you were to get the knife, you would probably, in my opinion, make a sheath for it or get a sheath made for it. Okay, so as I said before, this is a K-bar knife, but it's actually made in China. Okay, and we'll have a look at the specs. The steel on this is a 5CR13 MOV, which is a Chinese steel. And I don't know a hell of a lot about it other than it doesn't hold an edge for super long, and it's relatively difficult to get an edge back on it. So if you're going to be using it a lot, you're going to be touching it up a lot. So there you go. It has a clip point, as you can see, and it's hollow ground, as you can see. Okay, it has a blade length of 2 5/8 inches and an overall length of just under 6 inches. Now, the weight on this thing is about 1.1 ounces, so just over an ounce. And yeah, there you go. Now you can see some jimping here. We have some jimping right there, which gives you a really nice hold if you're using this for any skinning chores or anything like that. And it also has some more jimping up here near the blade. And that's really good if you're using it, again, for a skinning task. So I wouldn't actually skin a deer or anything with this, but for a rabbit, for a squirrel, something along those lines, yeah, not a problem. It'll work. Okay, now I've heard some good reviews on this knife and some bad reviews. It's been around for well over a decade now, and Aaron from Gideon's Tactical hates the knife, and he says don't buy it. Well, okay. Aaron is entitled to his opinion, and that's fine. I've heard some other reviews on this knife, which have been fairly good. However, to be quite honest with you, the biggest con of this knife is it doesn't hold an edge if you're using it in woodworking. It doesn't hold an edge for super long, and it takes a little while to get an edge back. If you're using this for skinning and working with meat and skin, the edge is going to last a lot longer. That's basically what this knife was designed for, is working with flesh, working with animals. And so there you go. This has been the K-Bar Johnson Adventure Piggyback Knife. And If you like it, go pick one up. They're about $10 NZ, sorry, $10 US. I've even seen them as low as $8 on eBay. So it's not a bad deal. You just know what you're getting into. And that's, if you're going to use it for woodworking and hard use, you're going to be working on that edge a little bit. Okay, folks. Until next time, Jeff Slavin. Take care. See you soon. Bye.